Watching ATC with Rodney. You never know what he's gonna say. Talking about things that are on his mind. His unique topics are one of a kind. Try to make you laugh and smile. Come and check it out for a little while. Watching ATC with Rodney. It'll be the highlight of your day.
Can you believe all this started with a simple recurring article in a newsletter? Now, after more than a decade and a lot of laughs, it's finally time to hang up my many hats and costumes and say goodbye to ATC. Over the years, I made a lot of memories through ATC. I had the privilege of trying my hand at new careers, like being a rapper. Shout out to my inspiration, Flavor Flav. And then there was a time I got to be the football coach. Oh man, that was a childhood dream come true.
Do I feel that I'm a hero? Yeah, I think I'm a hero, sure.
I've gotten to feature my co-workers and, okay, I'll say it, friends. Who wouldn't be proud to stand beside Hauser in this getup? The interviews I've conducted opened my eyes to just how funny my colleagues can be. I'll never forget the time Tim and I couldn't stop laughing over the word pizza.
I promise I'm gonna get it together.
I still laugh when I see pizza now. I really got to show off my love of good music and share it with my team. That was an awesome road trip.
Sweet Caroline, bum, bum, bum. Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good.
Especially because I got to control the radio. And, of course, I got to defend my title as ATC host more than once. Joe B may always have his easel and special markers, but he never did succeed in taking my place. Good try though, Joe. It's bittersweet when things come to an end, but this is life. I've had my fun and pleasure of bringing all my credit union family with me. It's been a wild ride, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Sharing everything about the corporate, being a source of entertainment, and really just enjoying the making of each episode. I hold the entire experience near and dear to my heart, even as the time to say goodbye gets closer. But it's about that time. And don't think just because I won't be on your screen anymore, I won't be around. Maybe you'll finally see me on an episode of Big Brother. Who knows? Maybe I'll even toy with the idea of an ATC farewell tour someday. You know, like Kiss does every couple years. But ultimately, I'll be here alongside my fellow Vizzo Financial employees, working to serve your credit union.
Hey, Steve.
Hey, Rodney, how you doing, man? I know it's hard to let go.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm just trying to figure out how to get out of this place. I've been through like 12 doors down the elevator. Where the heck's the exit?
It's right there.
Oh, yeah. Hey, thanks, bud.
Yeah, you bet. You know, Rod, ATC would have never been successful without me.
Yeah, right. How do you figure?
What do you mean? You didn't even know where the door was.
Well, at least I know my line.
Your line? What line?
Yeah, for the last time, I'm saying it. Here's what's happening. ATC.
Please sign up to attend our November 14th webinar titled Putting Credit Union Risk and Security in the Hot Seat. Our panel will include the following Vizzo Financial staff members: John Cuneo, VP Information Security, and two of our information security analysts, Mike Bechtel and Keely Hartman. This session will cover security issues impacting the credit union industry, provide tips on protecting your financial institution, and answer your security and risk-related questions. Register now at vfccu.org. In the coming weeks, please look for our annual Q9 survey email. This very quick to complete survey gives you the opportunity to tell us how we are doing. When I come back, I'll have my final interview.
Educational resources that fit into your busy schedule? Yes, please! Viso Financial has an entire library of webinar recordings. That means you have 24/7, 365 access to full recordings of our live sessions, PDFs of the presentations, and bonus materials. You'll never have to worry about missing a webinar again.
I'm back with the people that made ATC possible in this special interview. So, how's it going, everyone?
Good.
We're loving it.
Start out with a softball. One word to describe ATC. Matt.
Fun.
Brittany.
Interesting.
Hauser.
Comical.
Shenanigans.
Okay. Well, Jamie, with you, what was your funniest moment in regards to ATC?
Oh, there's so many funny moments. One of the classics, I love the episode where you were filming cleaning out your car and you pulled Tim Sustek out of the trunk and then put him back in. I love that scene. It makes me laugh every time I watch it.
So, anybody can answer this. What was it like working with me?
Well, clearly difficult, right?
Difficult, but you always brought energy to every day. You really did. It felt like there was like nothing we couldn't do. Even when I was questioning how many times I'm asking you to jump into your pool or run up those Capitol steps, or I always just knew that you always put in the energy that I knew that we will get the take.
We can end ATC now. That's the first compliment Matt's ever given me. So, you know what? We're good. How about anyone else? Anyone else?
You were always willing to try anything. I mean, you were up for any adventure that the script would lead. You wouldn't shy away from anything, and not too many people will do that.
Well, you made it easy for participants like me. I mean, you weren't real serious about it. You kept it light, kept it funny. We had a lot of fun while we were filming it. Matt and Nikki cut everything up and get it all together, and it comes out with a great, finished product. So,
Jamie, what was your favorite episode?
Oh, Rodney, that's a hard question. Pretty much any episode with Hauser. I mean, he did such a great job when he was in Titanic and he played Rose there on the bow with the wig. That was a great episode. Or when you had the angel wings and you were there, you were serving and picking up the drinks.
He did it so elegantly too. It was just phenomenal.
I mean, really, any episode Steve was in.
Did you notice that he was also with me in all of those scenes? So.
Oh, you were?
Yeah.
That private investigator episode where someone was following Steve and Steve confronts them at the car. I forgot who he was talking to, but remember, he was really good at that and confronting the person in the car. It was some weirdo following him.
That's good. Well, but you also bring up that whole episode when we were sitting in the old office over there, and everybody's sort of ripping on me. We're going to have a new host, Michael Strahan. And Nikki's like, oh yeah, I think he's available or something. He's only doing Good Morning America and NFL. He's got time. He could probably be the next host of ATC.
We tried so hard to oust you.
I know.
There were
multiple
4
times.
episodes.
I know. There was multiple episodes.
Yeah, sidekicks. You didn't pick any of us. Rude.
So, in this room, including Nikki, who we can't see right now, who would be the most likely person when contacted by Hollywood to spill the beans on ATC, behind the scenes? Who would that person be? Yeah. There you have it, folks. The people that made ATC happen and the people that are glad it's finally over. Until whenever, this is Rodney May with Around the Corporate.